Hello everybody, today I would like to share with you something about the dragon fruit. I have this one, is the yellow dragon fruit, all the way from Ecuador. Wow! Here I have this organic red dragon fruit. So I have the red and I have the yellow. Okay? So I was shocked when I saw this yellow color dragon fruit because I haven't seen it before. It is so weird because all the time that I've seen dragon fruit is actually this, the red colored dragon fruit. So little did I know that this rare yellow dragon fruit actually exists. It is all the way from Ecuador. Both actually comes from the same family, from the cactus family. Alright? So it's so amazing that we have a dragon fruit red in color and yellow in color. Alright, so I'm going to cut both and see what's inside, what's this different inside, okay? Okay, so let's try and cut. Alright. Right. Wow. This is the organic red dragon fruit. Wow. So I'm gonna cut this yellow dragon fruit. Is it red inside? I'm not sure. Let's check it out. Wow. Look at this. Amazing. Whoa. Okay. Okay, I'm going to scoop this red dragon fruit and try. The texture is quite firm and soft. And then I like the taste of it. It's very fruity. Has got slightly has got a grapes feel type of taste as well. And it's very sweet, this organic red dragon fruit. So before I try the yellow dragon fruit, let me take a sip first of this 100% pure pineapple juice. Now it's time for me to try the rare yellow pitahaya. Okay. Amazing. I have to say that this is probably way more sweeter than this, but this is already very sweet and this is even sweeter. And the seeds is a bit more bigger and more crunchy at the end. So in fact, both of these dragon fruit contains a lot of nutrients. Both this dragon fruit contains loads of nutrients in it, including vitamin C, vitamin A. And in fact, the seeds actually helps you to pass motion more better. Do you know that this yellow pitahaya, some people actually say that this is actually the bird's nest of fruits. One of the most sought after fruit. By eating this, actually it gives you some sort of collagen that will make your face look more prettier and you look younger. I don't know, maybe it works. It's you to try to find out. Alright, bye.